Blizzard winds erase the world outside. With seconds left, the survivor slams the steel bunker door and forces the heavy lock shut, just as starving polar bears crash against the metal in the frozen storm. Inside the bunker, the air is freezing and silent. Frost creeps along the pipes while the sealed door trembles. Something powerful is still trying to break in. The kitchen is small, but stocked for survival. Cans, water, and a single burner stove, just enough to stay alive while Arctic predators rage above. A narrow bed waits in the cold bunker room. Sleep will be difficult tonight. Every distant thud reminds him the danger outside has not gone away. Frost covers the pipes as water slowly runs from the tap. Even underground, the brutal Arctic cold follows him. In the tight concrete bunker, every echo feels louder. Outside, the storm howls and the predators keep attacking. Subscribe Naiem Zone.